Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions and I'm using the LSP Rainbow Spectrum set for Photoshop. I'm going to add the Colourplay Retro Gel filter to this stunning image by Karen Hook. A black brush is already selected, so I've just played the action. I'm simply going to paint this off the skin a little. And we have before and after there. You can take the opacity down or bring it up if you want to. That just adds a really subtle and interesting rainbow toning to your image. You can also add a rainbow lens flare in. Move it here. Reshape and move however you like. So that's before and after. That's using the LSP Rainbow Spectrum Photoshop Action Set, available at www.lsp-actions.com. Do check out YouTube for the other videos on how to use this collection.